Having this problem that every time you print, you're having this line. You have to see if there's a problem with the printer or with the scanner. In this case, when I sent something from any computer, the papers were not having that line, so the problem was with the scanner. Every time you print something, you copy something here. That was the issue. So I put the paper here. I didn't have that problem with the line. So I put paper here, and I was having that line. So that means there was something was going on with this optical lens here. So what I did with these wipers, I cleaned all this up, and now everything is working just properly. So I hope, as you can see, everything is working fine. Yep.
Okay, cool.
So I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, just let me know, and see you next time. Bye.